Lover. I've just done some gardening to de-stress from the day. So I've put in some worm farms and put in some cauliflower and broccoli. But what I wanted to talk to you all about was it's gonna stay. There it is. Our Samoan language classes for children. So registrations closed this week, I believe Thursday or Friday. Why is learning Samoan language important? So I've worked with the youth for quite some time, and as a part of that, they have identified that one of the issues that they face living in the diaspora is a disconnection from their culture. It is this disconnection that can often lead to behavior problems and other issues. So learning Samoan is not the only way to connect with culture, but it is one way that it can happen. And starting young is something that is easier and something you can do now. So that is why we have our in-person Samoan language classes, so that our children can meet other children who might be like them, so they can see in person that living your culture and embracing your culture is important, not only to them and their families, but to others and their families. The Samoan language class for children is held on Saturday mornings from 10 to 10:45. There are two different classes. There is the complete beginner, which is the novice 1A, and then the novice 1B, which teaches goes more into the numbers. It goes into the months of the year, the days of the year, and other things. I will put a picture up here somewhere, but it also has a review of the novice 1A, so we do go over it before we test you. So we want to make sure that our students are getting the most from their classes, and so we do half yearly tests every 2 years. Half every 2 months. Oh my goodness, my brain is going. But anyway, there are payment plans. If you choose to pay via PayPal, there's an option to choose Pay by 4. That is how we set up our payment plans. We also something else. If you have problems or trouble with the fees, or you have multiple children, email us and we can discuss how we can reduce those costs for you, because we do believe that having Samoan language in your life is important for all children. So yes, I think that's it for today. Yeah. First, I say love, and thank you for listening.